I'm Long Beach criminal law specialist attorney Matthew Kaestner. I've been fighting criminal law cases in Long Beach for over 25 years. Behind me is the new Long Beach courthouse. Built at a cost of $490 million, it houses 31 courtrooms, most of those devoted to the handling of criminal law cases. If you've been arrested for a case in Long Beach, Signal Hill, San Pedro, Wilmington, or parts of Harbor City, your case will be handled right here at the Long Beach Criminal Courthouse. And whether you've been charged with murder, assault, major narcotics offenses, white-collar crimes, embezzlement, theft, or other felony, or if you've been charged with a misdemeanor such as driving under the influence, lewd conduct, petty theft, drunk in public, your choice of who is going to represent you can have a critical impact on the result of your case. I want to take a few minutes of your time, a few moments, to simply give you a few of my tips on how best to select a criminal law attorney. Number one, select an attorney with substantial criminal law experience, and if possible, find a criminal law specialist. In Long Beach, there are 4 criminal law specialists certified by the State Bar of California as specialists in criminal law. This means they've taken a test, they've passed a substantial peer review, and regularly handle criminal law cases. I am one of those 4 attorneys with offices in Long Beach who are certified as a criminal law specialist. Number 2, find an attorney who has handled the type of case you are facing many times before. And don't be afraid to ask the tough questions. If you have a murder case, ask that attorney, how many times have you defended a person at trial on a murder case? Have you been successful in persuading a jury that your client killed in self-defense, or that the case was a case of mistaken identification? And if it's a misdemeanor case, such as domestic violence, ask that attorney, how many times have you handled a domestic violence case in that particular court? Number 3, find an attorney who practices regularly in the courthouse where your case will be handled. If you have a case in Long Beach, find an attorney who regularly appears in Long Beach. An attorney who knows the judges, the prosecutors, and the unique policies of that courthouse. It can be important to the outcome of your case. Number 4, treat your selection of an attorney like you would select an employee for a valuable position at your company. Treat it like a job interview. You're the boss, and you ask the tough questions to get the best answers you can get. It is important that you not be intimidated by the fact that you may be approaching a professional for the first time, and you might be frightened and scared. Ask the tough questions and make sure all of your questions are answered before you hire an attorney. Number 5, demand a written fee agreement. If you hire an attorney in California and expect the fee to be over $1,000, you are entitled to a written fee agreement. Make sure before you sign any agreement and pay any attorney any fee that you know a couple of things. Number 1, you know exactly who will be going to court for you. You know the name of the attorney who will be representing you, and you know the qualifications of that attorney. Number 2, know exactly what you're going to get for your fee. Are you paying for only a preliminary part of the case, or are you paying for the entire case through to completion, including trial if necessary? If you have the answers to those 5 important questions, you will go a long way in selecting the best possible attorney for your case. Again, I'm Long Beach criminal law specialist attorney Matthew Kaestner. If you have a question about any sort of criminal law case or procedure, you can contact me directly at 562-437-0200 for a free, no-pressure consultation. My office is conveniently located at the World Trade Center, immediately adjacent to the Long Beach Courthouse. Thank you.